Best work from home jobs in 2020. You're probably here right now because you're looking for a side hustle. You're looking for another income stream. You're tired of struggling at your day job and you want something on the side where you can make some extra money and you can pay the bills. Well, there's nothing wrong with that. So I came up with this guide to show you some of the best online jobs where you can make some good money and they're not really hard. They don't take a whole lot of time out of your day. So if you're ready to make another income stream, check it out. Let's get into the rest of this video. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go. The first job that I want to talk about is called a transcriptionist. Now I want to talk to all you typers out there because everyone who knows me knows I can't type. I type with one finger. But if you're a good typer, you type 1,000 words per minute or whatever it is, then you could be a transcriptionist and you can make some pretty good money. So just know that most of your job, you're going to be sitting there listening to audio, or you're going to be watching videos, and you're going to transcribe and write down and type down everything that they're saying. Now getting yourself a pretty good transcriptionist job online, you could get about $16 to $24 an hour. So it's nothing to sneeze at. But obviously a lot of that depends on your typing skills and some of your experience, just like any other job. Now one of the best websites I've found to get yourself a transcriptionist job is called Allegiance Transcription. You could post some of your skills in here. You could see if you can land a job with somebody and they could pay you some pretty good money. And because you're basically working on your own terms, it's some good side hustle money right there. The second job I want to talk about is to become an online tutor. Every single day, millions of kids all around the world need help with their homework, need help getting ready for a test, studying for their SATs. And if you consider yourself pretty smart and a people person, then that might be a good job for you. Now, one of the best websites that I've found where you can do this is a website called Study Pool. Now, they claim that you can make up to $7,500 a month. I don't know how true that is, but I do know that the website gets a lot of good reviews. People have reported really good experiences with it. So if you're looking to make some side money by helping somebody out with their homework or preparing for a test or a quiz or whatever, or they need help in a specific subject, then this is a good website for you. Don't let those skills that you learned in school go to waste. Turn around and teach somebody else. Number 3 is to become a virtual assistant. And I know the people that know me out there are probably thinking, infamous Joel, I can't believe you said virtual assistant. Why would you recommend something like that? Well, I'm here to tell you that there's nothing wrong with being a virtual assistant. And if I lost everything, to be honest, if I just started from zero, I might start being a virtual assistant, because I have the skills to help another business grow. And if you're just starting out and you don't know much about online business, online digital marketing, or anything like that, it might be a good idea to get into being a virtual assistant, because then you can learn how all the back end stuff works. You think about it, if you're gonna open a restaurant, then the best way for you to learn about how a restaurant operates is to work at a restaurant. So becoming a virtual assistant has a lot of benefits. Not only do you get paid, but you could pick the brain of the person who hired you and start learning the ins and outs of the business. In the US, a virtual assistant makes an average of $15 per hour. Now the best places to find a virtual assistant jobs is to just market yourself on Instagram or other social media sites. You get into a conversation with them and ask them if they need help with anything. You could do their customer service for them. You could do social media posts. You could write emails for them. It's endless. Another good website to advertise your skills and what you offer is Upwork.com. Now it works just like any other job site, except most of Upwork.com is all about digital jobs. You can be a programmer, you can be a writer, you can be a transcriptionist, you can be a voiceover actor, or you could just advertise that you're a virtual assistant. You could post your skills on there and see if an employer come by and say, hey, I could use you. And for my last work from home job and my absolute favorite, I probably wouldn't even consider it a job. What it is actually a business. And if you want to learn how to set yourself up for the long run, if you want to learn how to make unlimited amounts of money, it all depends on you and how successfully you build your business online, then I want you to learn about this business model called affiliate marketing. What you would essentially do is you would build yourself as a brand online and you would sell other people's proven products. If you want to learn more about this business model, then click on the link in the description below. I have a free training. It's how I make a full-time living online, and thousands of people also do it. There's even millionaires in this industry, so there's no limit to how much money you can make. So there you have it, the best work from home jobs in 2020. I want you guys to check those websites out. Write a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think. And until next time, I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.